And that's how you put lipstick on a pig. What do I mean by that? Hey guys, Dan here, and today PowerSmart sent me a 209cc push mower. Not self-propelled, a push mower. I guess they started to see I'm putting on a little bit of weight, and so they figured, you know what, Dan, maybe a little extra cardio won't do you so bad. And so this arrived and I said, how in the heck am I gonna make this video to where you guys would want to go out and buy it? And then I remembered, well, that's not my job. My job is to just simply describe the product. Now, we've put 1,000 of their PowerSmart lawnmowers together. You can go back through and check all my videos. So we're not going to assemble and unbox it because there's no difference between this assemble and review video and unbox and all that than any other of my PowerSmart lawnmower videos. Okay, so we're not going to do all that. What we're doing is I'm just going to describe it real quick, and I hope you saw what we were doing at the beginning of the video. That's how you put lipstick on a pig. So this is the 209cc horizontal shaft. Comes out the side here, right? It's the 209cc engine, and it comes on a 21-inch deck or 22-inch deck with a 21-inch blade, and it is super lightweight. All right, comes with your side discharge, so you can side shoot. You got your mulch plate right there built in, and a bag attachment, a nice big bag just like all the others. So I can tell you honestly, I did use this mower last week in my yard, and so here's the sales pitch. It honestly is super lightweight, super easy to use. If you're not into all of the gadgets and stuff, you want to save a little extra money, this is about 120 bucks less expensive than its big brother that has the rear self-propulsion. So if you're on a budget but you want the biggest possible motor you can buy, PowerSmart has this 209cc engine. I will link to the video description of this engine on a self-propelled mower just ripping through 2.5, 3 foot grass, ripping through it one-handed, full speed, doing a circle around a tree stump, and I was giggling like a little schoolboy because it was amazing how much power these engines have. Now I want you to think about something. When you have an engine, it's just like your car. If you turn on the air, you get a little bit less gas mileage, you get a little bit less power. So when you have an engine and no self-propulsion, then you have no air. You get all of the power, all the torque, all the horsepower to the blade. And you're not losing any fuel economy. You're getting maximum usage out of the fuel tank, and you're getting maximum usage out of the motor. So that is the one good thing about a non-self-propelled mower, is you're not losing power in the transmission and the belt drive and all that stuff. That's the only thing I can say. Other than that, it's one less thing to break. It's one less cable going up that you might have to replace. It's one less handle at the top that you might get caught on a fence. It's one less transmission it's going to break in 3, 4, 5 years. I don't know, depending on how you use your mower. It's one less belt you have to replace, and it's all that power straight to the blade. And so if that means something to you and you want to save about 120, 150 bucks, then consider this PowerSmart model. I'll link to it in the video description. Consider it. I used it front and backyard. It didn't kill me. It's super lightweight. Of course, I prefer self-propelled, as most people do. But look, if you're on a budget, you can't afford the self-propelled 209cc, but you need that power because your yard is just a wreck of a mess and it just grows like crazy and you can't cut it often enough, then you can consider this. Save a little bit of money and have all that power go straight to the blade. All right, like I said, comes with the bag, comes with the side chute. It's got 5 height adjustments. Each one is the front axles on the front here to adjust it, and the back axles on the back here to adjust the back. Bag goes here. Too easy, guys. All right, so hey, I appreciate you checking it out. I think we put some lipstick on the pig. Now let's see if y'all want to kiss it. All right, thanks. See ya.